how to find your Amo app wallet. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your wallet on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon and you're gonna find Amo wallet. Click on it and here you're gonna find your Amo wallet. You have free diamonds family and you can recharge from here. By example, click on recharge and here you can recharge your wallet by choose one of them and click on recharge and enter your card code, and this is it, easy and quick. So this is, guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.